We will study Insights IELTS Facts for UPSC Prelims today. Youth Pradushan Ke Virudh. Launched by Delhi government, it is an anti-pollution campaign seeks to reduce air pollution levels in Delhi during winter. The campaign will include release of a Green Delhi app, creation of a war room to monitor progress, processing liquid solutions for farms in order to curb stubble burning, and hotspot specific action plans. National Anti-Doping Agency (NADA), set up as registered society under the Societies Registration Act of 1860 on November 24, 2005, with a mandate for dope-free sports in India. The primary objectives are to implement anti-doping rules as per WADA code, regulate dope control program, to promote education and research, and creating awareness about doping and its ill effects. Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations. CEPI is an international non-governmental organization funded by Wellcome Trust, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, the European Commission, and 8 countries. Launched in 2017, its mission is to stimulate and accelerate the development of vaccines against emerging infectious diseases and enable access to these vaccines for people during outbreaks. Why in news? Translation Health Science and Technology Institute, an autonomous institute of the Department of Biotechnology, has been chosen by CEPI as one of the global network of laboratories for centralized assessment of COVID-19 vaccines. Smart Missile. India has successfully flight tested its indigenously developed supersonic missile assisted release of torpedo from a test range off Orissa coast. SMART is a missile assisted release of lightweight anti submarine torpedo system for anti submarine warfare operations far beyond torpedo range. Wayanad Kozhikode Tunnel project launched. The 7 km long tunnel will connect Wayanad and Kozhikode districts. The 900 crore project will construct it by Konkan Railway Corporation Limited. World Habitat Day. The United Nations designated the first Monday of October of every year as World Habitat Day to reflect on the state of our towns and cities and on the basic rights of all to adequate shelter. The day is also intended to remind the world that we all have the power and responsibilities to shape the future of our cities and towns. World Habitat Day was established in 1985 by the United Nations General Assembly through Resolution 40 by 202 and was celebrated in 1986. 2020 theme: Housing for All, a Better Urban Future. What is an adjuvant? An adjuvant is a pharmacological or immunological agent that improves the immune response of a vaccine. Adjuvants may be added to a vaccine to boost the immune response to produce more antibodies and longer lasting immunity, thus minimizing the dose of antigen needed. Why in news? Bharat Biotech has entered into a licensing agreement with Kansas-based Virovex for use of adjuvant L-hydroxyquime 2 in its COVID-19 vaccine Covaxin. During Cities Conference 2020 context, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has been invited to speak at Daring Cities 2020 virtual conference. Key points: the conference focuses on the steps taken in the national capital regarding sustainability and climate change issues. It is being hosted by ICLEI, Local Governments for Sustainability and Bonn City with the support of the German government. Daring Cities is a global forum on climate change for urban leaders tackling climate emergency, especially in the context of COVID-19 pandemic. That's all news for today. Thank you for watching the video. For any queries, comment on the video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more UPSC current affairs. Have a nice day. Bye.